Alright guys, so I just have on my stocking cap and I'm just going to go ahead and this is Pump It Up. No, Pump It Up. Look, as Patrice used back in the day. I watched a couple videos on how to, like slay your frontals or whatever, and a couple of people use the Pump It Up, and I was like, I can use Pump It Up. So then this is what I do. I use Pump It Up, and then I go in with the Got To Be, and then I just allow it to dry. No, I don't. I guess if I can just use the Pump It Up only to get this look, because when I do my wigs like this, they don't last. As in, I remove it. I don't like when it stays on my head that long, because I have been wearing wigs for years. So having the hair just on my head, it's very uncomfortable for me. So what I do is I take it off whenever I use it. But this step, this Pump It Up, Got To Be, and Pump It Up and all these things, it's staying, man. It's staying. So I applied 2 layers, and what I did not do was allow it to dry down all the way. I should have allowed it to dry down all the way. That way the stocking cap would not have moved, because it kind of slid back a little bit. But I wish I hadn't allowed it to just dry all the way. Also, when I use the Pump It Up and the Got To Be, it leaves a white cast. Now, when I made this wig, I didn't make it with me slaying this frontal in mind. So I didn't position the frontal properly on the stocking, on the dome cap to make the wig. So I actually did some alterations to this wig that is not on this camera, but I did some alterations to it, which, as I said in the video, you guys will hear shortly. I am actually going to be bringing this wig back again next year, or I can just do it with another wig. Don't have to be this specific wig. So just it looks like, and I colored it. I said what I used to color it in the video, and I'm just going to flat iron it with my Vanity Planet flat iron, and this flat iron is also linked in the description bar for you guys, and you can get 70% off with my link and my code. So go ahead and use that. So basically, that's what I did to apply the wig, to apply the unit or whatever. Did it all by myself, made this wig myself, applied it myself, and I'm really happy with my progress with frontals. But this frontal needs more work. Okay. Alright. Love you, LONGQI. Oh, and guys, enter the giveaway. Alright, hi guys. So this video is going to be a giveaway video, and it's brought to you by LONGQI Hair. I'm actually wearing the same hair I wore for my birthday. Y'all remember that video when my frontal, my hair wasn't doing right, and I felt like I rushed that video. Let's be honest, I rushed that video. So I went ahead and I flung some color in this hair. I'm wearing a frontal, and I'm wearing 28 inches, 28, 26, 24, 22, and a 20 inch frontal for sure, and 28 inches in length. Is there Cambodian straight hair? I have not worn Cambodian hair, and I'm getting rid of the flyaways in my face. I have not worn Cambodian hair in a very long time. And I'm just gonna say this right now, right off the bat. Finessing a straight frontal is way more difficult than finessing a curly hair frontal. This is taking time because I'm still tweaking it, still working with it. I'm not comfortable with where it is now. Guys, I'm not feeling well at all, but I'm not comfortable with where this is now, so I am still working with it. I am still finessing it. I am still trying to make it do what I do. But as you can see, I put some colors in it, yes honey, and I actually used Forte Volume Developer as well as Basic White, and I just put some colors in there. And as you do with all the frontals, I personalize the frontals as well using the same mixture. Anyways, as I'm saying, it takes a lot to finesse these straight hair frontals. Other than that, I mean, I think I did an okay job, but to me it's nowhere near the quality of the curly hair that I did with that frontal. So I'm just basically coming to you today to let you guys know of a giveaway that LONGQI Hair is actually having. So it's simple. So to subscribe to LONGQI's YouTube channel, follow them on IG, and participate in two video discussions, and view on their new Christmas 3+2 products. I don't know. Oh, okay, all right. So it says to participate in 2 video discussions. The video discussions are linked in the description bar below. So participate in that. and view their new 3+2 Christmas products. That's linked in the description below as well, because I have links here, so I can post them in this description for you guys. So the first place winner will get LONGQI Hair 14'16", 16 and 80 plus 12-inch closure, and I don't know what texture, they didn't say. And the second place winner will win the same, 14, no, she'll win 12, 14 and 16 and a 10-inch closure. And the third place winner will win $20 cash, and he'll provide a number and cash back immediately. Oh, just provide your number and you get the cash back immediately when you make a purchase. So for these, first place winner is one person, second place winner is one person, and yeah, and just to remind you that they are having a Christmas special. I'll link that as well, and their LONGQI AliExpress store, I'll link that as well. And you can also get a discount on these. Well, I don't have a discount, but it's a coupon code with my name, Lyric Rochester. So you can go ahead and, you know, you can use it if you want to. But yeah, so these are the giveaway rules. 3 winners. The first and second will win virgin hair from LONGQI Hair, and the third place winner will actually be getting a $20 off. Oh, $20 cash. Oh, it's a cash towards the next LONGQI purchase, and all I have to do to redeem that cash is just provide your number. See? So yeah, this is it, you guys, for this video and this little mini update of my LONGQI hair. I'm not really mad at it, but I just wish I could just do this a little bit better. So I will be finagling with this. As I said in another video, I'm actually going to be getting my bolt and locks fitting tomorrow. I'm extremely excited for that. So I'll come back with you guys probably at the end of January or the 1st of February with how this is holding up and with what I'm going to be doing with it. So this is it for this video. Yes, again, thank you to LONGQI Hair for always being so good to me. I truly trust this company. And as I said in another video, I don't see it, but as I say in another video, I'm bringing companies that I trust to you guys. I'm bringing companies that I've used, I've worked with, rather. I have been interacting with companies who are true to their word and companies who give a really good quality hair. So again, thank you so much, LONGQI, for bringing this giveaway to my channel. I completely appreciate it, and I really hope somebody wins from here. So please go ahead and enter, and I pray to God that you guys, well, one of you have to win, or 3 of you have to win if you do enter. I know it seems like a lot of steps, but you have to remember you're getting something for free. Okay, you're getting something for free, so ain't nothing wrong with putting some work in if you're getting something for free. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and again, LONGQI, and thank you. Bye guys.